Hey, how's it going? How about a gear review? This will be Telesin neck mount. This will just hang around my neck. Got a little GoPro attachment to it. There's a little button on the back. Just press that and you can open it up. Okay, sorry, needed two hands to do that. So the GoPro will hang from here. It is kind of loose. This could be a problem as far as shakiness. But the strap is actually metal coated with rubber, so in theory I can adjust this so it'll sit firmly against my chest and hopefully not shake around too much. But that's what Hypersmooth is for, right? One thing I didn't mention yet is the Telesin mount is actually magnetic. So slide this in. And then it rotates, so it is kind of locked in place. So you're not going to lose the camera. Okay, so I've got the strap adjusted, everything mounted. Once you get the hang of it, it connects pretty easily. Except to make sure that the thing is vertical up and down. Okay, let's see how this works. I know I look like a dork with this thing on, but I'm used to looking like a dork. And here's our creek crossing. Okay, how did that look to you? So a little shaky. To me, you can certainly tell the ups and downs as I'm walking. One of the cool things about this is that it's very flexible. As I said, this is a silicone shell with stainless steel actually on the inside. So it's very flexible. I'll show you this again. Little button on the back side. Press that and just release. And put it on. Make sure your clasp is vertical. This does take some getting used to. Of course, you can't see what you're doing. There, you hear that nice click. So you can adjust this however you need to. So it's very flexible. So you can have it against your chest. Just be mindful that when you're taking videos, you may want to slow your pace down a little bit, and that'll also help to reduce the shaking. Keep your camera on the hyper smooth. I had it on boost. So let me just attach this. You may wonder why it's got the hair tie on it. It's because these cheap little lens covers I bought don't stay on. Okay, skipping ahead. I took off my quick mount clip. See, this is a standard GoPro mount. So if you twist, it'll come right off. It's magnetic. So what I'm going to do is just connect it. And put my screw back in. Okay, so I've got it kind of adjusted here. Connect it, feel the magnet attachment, and hear that nice click, and you're pretty stable. You do run the risk of losing, or if you twist your camera to adjust, like I do with this ball mount I got, you run the risk of losing the camera. So it was easy to get on that time. So of course I look like a dork, which is normal as I'm sitting here talking to myself. So pros and cons. It is very flexible, so you can adjust it however you want to make sure that you're not getting all the vibration and all the up and down when you're walking. It's a very cool piece. I like this. I'll be using this a lot for day hikes. The cons, problem is you can't tell what you're shooting. So I would recommend connecting your GoPro to your phone, so you can get a preview on your phone to see exactly what you're shooting and then what angle you're at. Usually I have this adjusted so it's hanging upside down. So you may have to either lock your orientation, or you can, in your video editor, you can rotate the footage. I can't really think of many cons to this. It's a very cool piece. So is it cool or crap? I'd say it's pretty cool. I got this on Amazon. I think it runs about 32 bucks. They do run sales. I think I got mine when it was on sale. It's running about $28 right now. Very well worth it. So I'll be doing a lot more gear reviews. I don't want to do trail videos until the leaves come back, which should be in a week or two, so I'll probably post some more gear reviews. Hope you like those. So should be down here on your screen, there's this little black box. It says subscribe. So if you want to click on that, that would be awesome, and I'd really appreciate it. Okay, I do want to mention that any gear reviews I do are unsolicited, unsponsored, uncompensated, unwarranted, and uncalled for. So I don't get paid anything, and I'm not given any gear to review. Any opinions I express are mine completely, and give you an honest opinion of the gear that I've got. Okay, take care.